Today we will continue same lesson, Indian number system. Third example, give the expanded form of 3,72,86,136. What do you mean by expanded form? Expanded form, a number is written as the sum of the place values of each of its digit. Here we have to write expanded form of 3,72,86,136. To write expanded form of any number, first we need to identify the place values or position of all the digits in a number. So here 6 at 1's place, 3 at 10's place, 1 at 100 place, again 6 at 1000 place, 8 at 10,000 place, 2 at lakh place, 3 at 10 lakh place, and 2 at lakh place, and 7 at 10 lakh place, and 3 at crore place. Expanded form is sum of place values. So here 3 multiplied by its position. 3 is in crore place. So 3 multiplied by 1 crore plus 7 multiplied by 10 lakh, because 7 is in 10 lakh place, plus 2 multiplied by 1 lakh plus 8 multiplied by 10,000 plus 6 multiplied by 1000, 1 multiplied by 100 plus 3 multiplied by 10 plus 6 multiplied by 1. 3 into 1 crore is a 3 crore plus 7 into 10 lakh is equal to 70 lakh plus 2 into 1 lakh 2 lakh plus 8 into 10,000 80,000 plus 6 into 1,000 6,000 plus 1 into 100 100 plus 3 into 10 30 plus 6 into 1 6. This is the expanded form of 3,72,86,136. Now we will solve second example. Here we have to write expanded form of 42,27,35,842. To write expanded form of any number, first we need to identify the place values or position of all the digits in a number. So here 2 at 1's place, 4 at 10's place, 8 at 100 place, 5 at 1000 place, 3 at 10,000 place, and 7 at lakh place, 2 at 10 lakh place, again 2 at crore place, and 4 at 10 crore place. 4 multiplied by its position. 4 multiplied by 10 crore plus 2 multiplied by crore 1 crore plus again 2 multiplied by 10 lakh, because 2 is in 10 lakh place, plus 7 multiplied by 1 lakh, because 7 is in lakh place, plus 3 at 10,000 place, so 3 multiplied by 10,000 plus 5 at 1,000 place, so 5 multiplied by 1,000 plus 8 multiplied by 100 because 8 is in 100 place, plus 4 multiplied by 10 plus 2 multiplied by 1. So the answer is 40 crore plus 2 crore plus 20 lakh plus 7 lakh plus 3 into 10,000 30,000 plus 5 into 1,000 5,000 plus 8 into 100 800 plus 4 into 10 40 plus 2 into 1 2. This is the expanded form of 42 crore 27 lakh 35,842. Now we will solve fourth example. Give the compact form of the following numbers. Here the given question is in a expanded form. What do you mean by compact form? Compact form is nothing but the short form. The form in which we generally write the numbers is called the short form. So here see the first number. First number is a 7 crore. In 7 crore how many digits are there? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. So first we have to write 8 digits places. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. See here 7 crore, that means 7 is in crore place. 80 lakh, 8 at 10 lakh place, then 4 lakh, that means 4 at lakh place, then 60,000, 6 at 10,000 place, plus 4,000, that means 4 at 1,000 place, then 100, 1 at 100 place, 90, 9 at 10's place and 5 at 1's place. According to the Indian number system, from right side 3 digit consist 1 spirit, after 2 digit consist 1,000 period, after 2 digit consist lakh spirit. We use comma to separate the periods. Second one. Here also the given question is in a expanded form. So see the first number. First number is a 90 crore. In 90 crore how many digits are there? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digits. So first we have to write 9 digits places. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. So here 90 crore, that means 9 at 10 crore place, plus 5 crore, that means 5 at crore place, then 60,000, 60 lakh, 6 at 10 lakh place, then 1 lakh, 1 at lakh place, then 90,000, 9 at 1,000 place, 9 at 10,000 place, then 7,000, 7 at 1,000 place, then here 0, 0 at 100 place, then plus 50, 50 means 5 at 10's place, then 3, 3 at 1's place. According to the Indian number system, from right side 3 digit consists ones place, after 2 digit consists thousand period, after 2 digit consists lakhs period, after 2 digit is a crore period. This is the short form of 90 crore plus 5 crore plus 60 lakh plus 1 lakh plus 90,000 plus 7,000 plus 0 plus 50 plus 3. Homework: solve exercise 2A in that third and fourth one.